a little muscle here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And take a look at this one, always popular. 1969 Pontiac GTO two-door hardtop, real deal GTO. It's a 242 VIN car, so it confirms it is a real GTO. Judge Tribute. And listen to this power plant, 428 XF code V8 underneath the hood. That's been built. This thing sounds healthy. It has aluminum heads on it, Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake manifold, headers. We will start it up and let you hear it run at the end of the video. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Take a look at that iconic 69 GTO front end. Automatic transmission with his and hers shifter. Turbo Hydromatic 400 to be exact. As you can see, the black paint on the exterior shows very well. Nice shine to it. Now, it is black. You may find a little imperfection here or there. I noticed there was one little right there on the top of that. There a bumper. Overall, this thing is a head turner, the way it looks, the way it sounds. Check out all the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Pontiac Motor Division, rally style wheels, BF Goodrich radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these long panels, nice and straight. Again, paint with a nice shine to it. Ivory interior, that black exterior, what a color combination. Center console, little aftermarket retro sound radio that does work. Show you that here in a bit. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out that interior a little bit closer. That's when we'll start it up, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, you got it. Jason's gonna luck out and take this one for a drive. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Gotta have the wing with the Judge decal on it. A few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Does have a new right rear axle seal. Dual exhaust. New valve cover gaskets. Mentioned the speedo does read a little bit fast. It brakes straight, and the brakes are 100% front and rear. This also has a safety track, rear end with 355 gears. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like muscle cars, no matter what brand, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And take a look at this hood mounted tack. I think we're gonna have to see if that works and fire this up so you can hear it run, because like I said, this car sounds healthy. Door panels, nice shape. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. As far as the seats go, maybe a little bit of wear in the piping right there, but overall very nice interior. Of course, up front you're going to have the lap belt and the shoulder belt. That's why you see two on each side. Visor still intact, headliner looking good. All right, let's get this fired up. It is a little cold-blooded, so we're going to fire it up, let it warm up a bit. And again, 428 built XF code block. Top of the dash looks good, and that tack is working. As is the radio.
I think in addition to all of those.
All right. let me slip up to the front. I want to get this hood popped. It's going to take me both hands. Let's check out this engine bay, and then Jason's going to take it for a drive. Good look at the underside of the hood. There it is. Optima battery with a battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Aluminum radiator. Fan shroud. Have some fun on those Sunday afternoons, burn a little rubber, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Here you go, 1969, real deal Pontiac GTO Judge Tribute. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1969 Pontiac GTO. This one has Judge decals on it. It has a hood tack, which you can see right there. I don't know if you can see the needle jump, but it's fun to watch it jump when you listen to it rev. This is a fun car to drive. Plenty of power. As I was saying, plenty of power and a lot of torque. This is an automatic right here on the center console. We've got some wood grain down there on the center console and on the dash. Black dash matching the paint. Otherwise white interior with the headliner doors and seats looking really good. Just the right amount of rumble coming out the back of this car in my opinion. That beautiful GTO hood. We have a digital stereo on the dash. Now the blower motor works when you have it on high. Our speedometer appears to be working. The fuel gauge shows a little less than half a tank. And we are clock equipped over here, though I do not see it counting the seconds. Nice looking dash. Not seeing any cracks, and it's actually soft, as it should be. Beautiful bucket seats in this car. Brakes feel good. Excellent power steering, corners nicely. Don't want to scare anybody here. Let's let him get ahead before we punch the throttle again. Just a beautiful car. Horn works. And it gets up and goes. The front end literally comes up when you hit the throttle. It is so fun. Take a look at all the pictures of this 69 GTO at uniqueclassiccars.com.